Hey guys, today we're doing interpreting equations and this is our SAT math topic video number 3.
Before we begin, we hope that you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
So let's go on to question number 1. So the first question says, each year, the average number of legal cases per attorney at Gary's law firm can be modeled by the equation y equals 1.74x plus 15.3, where x represents the number of years that Gary's firm has been in operation since it opened in 2000, and y represents the average number of legal cases per attorney. Which of the following best describes the meaning of the number 1.74 in the equation? So the correct answer to this question is answer choice B, the approximate increase in the average number of legal cases per attorney each year. So it says that y equals the average number of legal cases per attorney. So this entire expression shows like how many cases each attorney does. And x represents the number of years that Gary's firm has been in operation. So as long as x is increasing, for every one increment increase for x, the average number of cases that each attorney does will increase by this value right here, 1.74. So that translates to answer choice B.
A store is having a sale. Sebastian decides to take advantage of the sale and purchases a suit. The equation that gives the after-sale price P of Sebastian's suit with the original cost C is shown above, which is P equals 0.7 C. What percent of the original cost did Sebastian save? So the correct answer to our question is going to be answer choice C, which says 30%. So let's pretend that his suit was originally $100. When we plug this into this equation, 0.7 of this is going to be $70. And so we notice that he spends $30 less after applying this discount or sale. So in this case, because the denominator is 100, we know that 30 over 100 is going to be 30%. So in this case, he's going to save 30%, and that's 30% of the original cost, which gives us answer choice C.
So the answer to this question is answer choice D, the temperature in degrees Rankine at 0 degrees Celsius. So we can approach this differently how we did the other questions where we just choose which one is correct. But what we can do here is we can just eliminate answer choices as we go. So answer choice A says the increase in degrees Rankine that corresponds to a 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature. So this is not true. This is not correct because every time C goes up, Rankine will go up by 1.8. So that's not true. That's not 491.67. So we can cross A out. B says the increase in degrees Rankine that corresponds to a 1.8 degrees Celsius increase in temperature. This is also not true because when you increase your Celsius by 1.8 degrees, Rankine will go up by 1.8 times your 1.8 increase in Celsius, and that is not 491.67. So we can get rid of that. The temperature in degrees Rankine at 1.8 degrees Celsius. Answer choice C is not true because when you plug in 1.8 for Celsius, you're going to get 1.8 times 1.8 plus 491.67. That is not 491.67. So we can get rid of C, leaving us with the only possible answer choice D, the temperature in degrees Rankine at 0 degrees Celsius. The cost C in dollars that a catering company charges to cater a wedding is given by the function C equals 20 WT plus 300, where W represents the number of workers and T represents the total time in hours it will take to cater the wedding using W workers. Which of the following is the best explanation of the number 20 in the function?
So our fourth question says, the amount of money Emily spends is given by the equation T equals 160x plus 30, where T is the total amount and x represents the number of years elapsed. What does 30 mean in the equation? So the correct answer to this question is going to be answer choice D, which says the base amount of money already spent. So we know that the y-intercept on this graph would be 30, which means when we plug in 0 for x, we get 30 equals t, where t is the total amount. And because no years have elapsed and there's already a total of $30, we know that that's probably the base amount of money that has already been spent.
So the correct answer to this question is answer choice C. The catering company charges $20 per hour for each worker. So like we did for problem 3, we can do process of elimination. Answer choice A says a minimum of 20 workers will cater the wedding. Well, that isn't necessarily true because W represents the number of workers, and we can make W whatever we want. It doesn't have to be 20, it could be 15. So we can get rid of A. Answer choice B says the cost of every wedding will increase by $20 per hour. This isn't true because when workers, let's pretend W equals 5. This means that there are 5 workers. So if we plug this into the component that we're interested in, 20WT, this means if W equals 5, that component will become 100T. And now for every hour, 100 extra dollars will be charged. So the number of dollars that increases per hour is dependent.
Thank you guys so much for watching our third topic video of interpreting equations.
Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And we'll see you guys next week for our fourth topic video. Bye!